Causes of the stellar sea lion decline. Stellar sea lion, also known as northern sea lions, are the largest of the otterid eared seals. Two distinct stocks of stellar sea lions are recognized based on differences in genetics as well as population trend. The eastern stock breeds in California, Oregon, British Columbia, and southeast Alaska east of 144 degrees west, while the western stock breeds west of 144 degrees west in the Gulf of Alaska, Aleutian Islands, and throughout Russia. Although the eastern population has remained stable at an estimated 39,000 for the last few years, the western population of stellar sea lions has been declining rapidly in recent years, from an estimated total of 227,000 in 1960 to around 45,000 in 2000. Stellar sea lions were first listed as threatened under the United States Endangered Species Act. In 1997, the U.S. National Marine Fisheries Service reclassified the western population of stellar sea lions in Alaska as endangered. It is widely considered that there are several reasons for the population decline. Not just one. At first, intensive commercial fisheries are thought of as the main cause. It is estimated that 50 to 80% of recent trawl fishery catches of stellar sea lions' major prey species in the U.S. are stellar sea lions' major prey source and have come from the sea lion's critical habitat. A biological opinion produced in December 2000 concluded that competition with fisheries that target the stellar sea lion's most important food resources in the Bering Sea, Aleutian Islands, and Gulf of Alaska is a significant factor in their decline. It concluded further that continued fishing for ground fish, including pollock, Atka mackerel, and Pacific cod, under existing rules, is likely to jeopardize the western population of stellar sea lions to adversely affect their critical habitat. Another reason that contributed to the decline of stellar sea lions is the increase in predator population. Killer whales have been observed to attack sea lions. The stomach of a dead killer whale that was washed ashore in Prince Island Sound in the summer of 1992 contained flipper tags from 14 stellar sea lions. A study led by Lance Barnett Leonard sought to determine whether killer whale predation could significantly affect sea lion numbers. Using a number of techniques, they developed a mathematical computer simulation that concluded that predation by killer whales may account for a significant portion of the total annual mortality of sea lions in Alaska, with as many as 18% of the sea lions dying each year. The effects of predation on a robust sea lion population consisting of over 100,000 animals are minimal. But with similar populations with less than 50,000 members, the effects are more significant and may even be sufficient to drive a population decline. The authors conclude that killer whales did not initiate the sea lion decline, but may now be a significant contributing factor. Other factors, such as global warming and a regime shift in Alaskan coastal waters, have also been shown to intensify the decline, most likely by creating nutritional deficiencies. A regime shift in Alaskan waters, which may have begun in the mid-1970s due to an increase in water temperature brought on a change in species composition, causing a change in the stellar sea lion's diet, which was detrimental to the sea lions. However, the shift caused a decline in the population of the herring and capelin, and a big increase in the population of the pollock. Pollock not only has a low fat content compared to herring, with a relatively high fat content, but it requires more energy to digest. Apart from the change in the type of food available to the stellar sea lions, the temperature change in the ocean also caused the metabolic rate of the stellar sea lions to go up. Therefore, the stellar sea lions need to obtain more energy from their food, which they can't get from the pollock that they are eating now. Both the change of diet and the increase in metabolic rate led to the deterioration of the stellar sea lion's health. This further caused a change in death and birth rates of stellar sea lions. It also causes stunted growth, iron deficiencies, and increased susceptibility to predation and diseases.